Hello, I'm Kiran Jadhav, Chairman and Managing Director of Accurate Industrial Controls, based in Shivne, Pune. I'm here discussing our story to be associated with Joyful Workplaces, um, Dr. Sumit Roy and his team.
Hello everybody, my name is Sneha. I am Lean Coordinator of Accolade Electronics Private Limited, Pune, India. We are in electronics manufacturing. We have started our lean manufacturing journey 18 months before. When we were started, we were like lean is only related to the 5 years activities, etc. But after completion of this 18 months program, now we have realized that what are the importance of lean in a manufacturing industry and why Japanese are ahead and why Japanese are ahead. During this entire 18 months journey, we have learned a lot of things like 5 years red tagging activities, zoning, subzoning, roles and responsibility delegation, then involvement of peoples. Related to the layout also we learned a lot of things like layout improvements through various set-on arrangements, stand and work environment, various types of displays on the shop floor, then various types of material handling, trolleys, trays, etc. Also we have learned related to the inventory management system, how we can reduce the inventory to the systematic approach, how we can increase the ITR. After that, we learned some problem solving techniques for the root cause analysis of the problem. Lean is not the limited program. This is a very disciplined journey. Um, and during this journey, Joyful Workplaces have played a very important role as our guide, as our coach. They have guided us at various types of problems, and thanks to Joyful Workplaces and thanks to NTC also, due to them we have joined this program.
It all happened in October 2014 that one of my friends who had already undergone this lean training introduced me, and then we got into orientation of the lean cluster program through MCCI Pune, and the journey started. Actually, I would say uh, 22 years ago when I started my entrepreneurship, this is the second or third most important turning point in my entrepreneurship career. It was a program of 18 months, but me and my team never noticed that this is going to be so much long journey, and it is all over now. We are at the on the last day of the program, and benefits out of these are countless. To list a few, I would say people are now aware of the wastages. They now respect and value the lean philosophy, and to be in business terms, I would say return on investment. Monetarily, I would say it is directly a recent example. We were facing one acute issue of plastic cracking in one of our exports unit, wherein even our UK partners tried their efforts and their knowledge, but we could not arrest that, and it was happening. It was going on since last 1 year. But the methodical approach directed by Dr. Roy and my team, they worked together, and within 1.5 months we could resolve that issue and stop the ongoing wastages. Till date, due to that single issue, we have lost close to 20 lakhs rupees over a period of 1.5 years. Now we proudly say that that critical problem is resolved, and this particular assignment or our battle against that rejection was closely observed by our UK partner and our customer. They really acknowledge our strength, which is now we all, and the whole credit goes to this lean cluster program. Apart from that, now we really feel proud if any customer is visiting, any supplier is visiting, the setup and the facility is improved a lot in all terms. The improvements can be visually seen by all of them, and everybody gives good accolades, good appreciation for the change.
Good evening. I am Samir Gowde, CEO Conair Equipment Private Limited. I am proud to say that my company is now lean company. I am thankful to Dr. Roy of Joyful Workplaces and his team for taking me through this lean journey.
assembly area. Fabric. Cutting area. Deburring area. Storage.
इनिशियली ये लीन लाइक क्या होने वाला है लीन में, सो वी आर अंदर की क्या सोच रहे थे कि ये लीन में क्या होने वाला है. तो इनिशियल लेवल पे डॉक्टर रॉय ने हमको सबसे पहले स्टॉक्स के बारे में बताया कि स्टॉक्स का आप एक लिस्ट बनाओ. एक स्टॉक का लिस्ट बनाने के बाद में हमको फिर बताया गया कि आप इसका वैल्यूएशन डालो एंड इसको बाइफरकेट करो कि साल भर पहले का स्टॉक कितना है एंड करंट स्टॉक कितना है. आई एम सरप्राइज कि मुझे तभी पता चला कि ये जो स्टॉक मेरे पास है, आई एम होल्डिंग मोर देन 70 लाख रुपीज स्टॉक एज अ डेड स्टॉक. देन फिर उसका डिस्पोजिशन एक्शन चालू हो गया. वी हैव डिस्पोज दैट टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ स्टॉक एंड वो जो सारा मनी था वो हमारे बिजनेस में फिर से आ गया. इसके बाद हमने प्लांट लेआउट पे काम कर दिया. काफ़ी सारा प्लांट लेआउट हमने चेंज किया. हमको ये भी पता नहीं था कि प्लांट लेआउट कैसे बनाया जाता है. लीन के थ्रू हमको ये पता चला कि प्लांट लेआउट में हर एक स्टेप गिनना होता है. वर्कर लोगों का मूवमेंट गिनना होता है कि हाउ मनी स्टेप्स दे वर्क पर डे. एंड उसका अगर हम लोग साल भर का एस्टिमेट निकालते हैं और 2 साल का निकालते हैं या फिर टोटल हम लोग निकालते हैं तो हमको पता चलता है कि कितना सारा अनवांटेड मूवमेंट हम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं इसके पीछे. देन ये सारा देखने के बाद हम ये डिसीजन पे आया कि हमारा प्लांट लेआउट जो है वो टोटल चेंज करना चाहिए. वी हैव चेंज द टोटल प्लांट लेआउट अगेन एंड इसका हमें काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से फ़ायदा हुआ. हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी थोड़ी सी बढ़ गई. कुछ कैमरा पॉइंट्स हम लोगों ने बनाए थे जहाँ पे रेगुलर इम्प्रूवमेंट्स की ज़रूरत थी. एंड आफ्टर से 3 to 4 प्रेजेंटेशन 3 to 4 वीक्स के बाद हमको ये पता चला कि क्या मूवमेंट्स हो रही है. वी हैव मॉनिटर्ड दैट मूवमेंट. हम सारे मूवमेंट्स देखते थे कि क्या प्रोग्रेस हमारी कंपनी में हो रहा है. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू से कि मेरे कंपनी में अभी कोई कैमरा पॉइंट्स की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम वी हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट ऑन दिस. ये लीन का हमें काफ़ी अच्छा फ़ायदा हुआ है. हमारा प्लांट लेआउट अच्छा हो गया. हमारा हर एक लोगों का सिक्योरिटी गेट से लेके सारे मेरे तक लोगों का एक जो माइंड सेट होता है वो चेंज हो गया. सारे लोग अभी इसमें इन्वॉल्व होकर काम कर रहे हैं. एवरीबडी इन वी हैव फॉर्म सम जोन्स. हर एक को जोन लीडर जोन मेंबर बना दिया है. सबका इन्वॉल्वमेंट हर एक कंपनी के डेवलपमेंट में हो रहा है. हमने क्लीनिंग प्लान इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया. हमने प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस देन मशीन का ऑपरेटर मेंटेनेंस यहाँ तक हम लोगों ने शुरू कर दिया है एंड इट इज़ गिविंग अस गुड रिजल्ट. होपफुली हम ये कोर्स और आगे करेंगे एंड इसका हाई लाइक सेकेंड फेज थर्ड फेज हम करेंगे एंड विल टेक आवर कंपनी टू वन स्टैंडर्ड। हमें अभी कोई विजिटर्स हमारे कंपनी में जब भी आता है हमको ये सारे चेंजेस दिखाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है। वी फील प्राउड टू शो देम कि पहले ये कंपनी कैसा था, नाउ क्या लेवल पे चेंज होके आया है। आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर डॉक्टर रॉय एंड हिज टीम ऑफ जॉयफुल वर्कप्लेसेस। थैंक यू।
Hello, I am Dinesh Munor representing SK Engichem Private Limited. Ours is a 40-year-old family-run business. I am actually from second generation. This factory was started by my father. We are basically engaged in, we are a small unit engaged in manufacturing of pressed components, tubular components and some fabricated assemblies. My main customers are from automobile, switchgear industry and windmill. Actually, I got to know of this lean program sometime in mid 2013. I got to know that this is a MSME sponsored special program meant for small and medium industry. I got to know more details through a specially conducted seminar by MCCI, wherein I remember Mr. Karan Dikar and Dr. Roy were there. I got impressed with their presentation and pretty soon I decided I would join this program. And maybe somewhere in first quarter of 2014 I enrolled with MCCI and I got member of this C5 cluster. Looking back, these 18 months have been a fantastic journey with Joyful Workplaces team. Dr. Roy, Mr. Rao and Mr. Jagtap have been great guides and mentors to us. And why guide and mentor? They have been friends and philosophers to us. With them, there have been regular classroom sessions. There have been regular visits by these three gentlemen to our place, and there have been many interactive sessions. There have been practical things all through these 18 months. Actually, this program has given us a new meaning to our day-to-day work. It has given a new insight to us. Through all the exercises we did, through all the learnings we took from this program, I suppose we have taken a very big initial step towards permanent improvements. Things like 1S, 2S, 3S, layout improvement, space saving exercises, understanding other basic things, our regular production, all these which we learned in a meaningful way and which we have been trying to implement and will be implementing, has definitely given us a solid platform for further improvements. This doesn't mean we have already reached to a great destination, but this beginning was very essential for all the future improvements. I have been, this has been, me and my people have been, definitely gone through a very joyful experience, and I am really thankful to this team of Dr. Roy, Mr. Rao and Mr. Jagtap. Towards the end, I made a suggestion from my point of view. See, generally the sessions have been conducted in either in English or in a language understood by most, like many things were conveyed in Hindi. Similarly, I have requested them for future programs if they could provide their training, the written material, training material in local language or a convenient language. That would help smaller companies like me in preparing things for down the line people in a better way. In the end, I would say the challenge for a company like me is, really imbibe these learnings. Whatever have been the shortfalls, understand them and implement them, and maybe bring continuity in what we have been doing. See, bringing the continuity and improving upon them continuously will be the challenge for us. In the event, I will again give my special thanks to MSME, NPC and Joyful Workplaces team, and not to forget MCCI for giving us this wonderful program for industries like us. Thank you.
Trichicom Industries Private Limited. Yeah. Raw material area. This is deburring area, spot welding area. Store area. Buffing area. Scrapyard area. Newspaper. Conference room. Canteen desk. CNC job.
Good morning, I am Sunil Zavadekar, CEO of SB Engineers. We are into manufacturing of forgings and machine components, established in 1993, and have a workforce of 75 people, workers and staff put together. We were fortunate to have Joyful Workplaces as our lean management consultants. With our team of Dr. Roy, Mr. Rao and Mr. Jagtap, who really shared their experience and guided us in the implementation of lean initiatives in all the phases. We started our lean journey on 30th of October, and it was implementation of 5 phases, which concluded on 20th of April 2016. Why lean manufacturing? Yes, friends, I would certainly like to emphasize on this, that all MSMEs are quite engrossed in their own day-to-day work, and they are not aware that these tools would help them a lot to achieve their goals. Well, lean is the necessity, the importance, and the benefits of lean are certainly quite multifold if one look at it as a journey. The roadmap, as I mentioned earlier, is in 5 phases, and it is a insight to any CEO or any organization, like what the company should be, how it should be, right from your organization chart. If you look at that, where are the functional gaps or the missing functions in your organization, it starts to that. And of course 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S and 5S is the backbone of lean, along with which it is not feasible to bring a change in your company. And I am proud to say that after this journey of say 18 months, my company has undergone a sea change. Like now I am not worried about customers coming to me. Whenever they come, they are most welcome. There is no advanced preparation for audits of any customer. And of course now I am poised to go into the export market with all these initiatives and changes in my organization, right from 5S implementation of OMPM plan, how to bring down the breakdown, how to bring down your inventory levels, and how to feed the customer line on time. Well, this is an area where I would like to really point out that we were lagging in OTD with most of our customers, and now I'm proud to say that we are always having 95 plus OTD with all our customers. Secondly, with the minimization of breakdowns through OMPM plan, our machines are in good conditions. There is a change of morale in our workforce. This is also very important, that lean really goes down level and it asks for involvement of your workforce, the shop floor level, the supervisor level, and the basic staff. Without them, the lean implementation is not feasible at all. And we, as a CEO, we also need to push it down the level and see that time to time implementation is there. Without it, it is not possible. And it is really going to help you bring a sea change in your organization, a sea change in your thinking, a sea change in thinking of your employees, and change in their approach towards work, which really matters to get. If you really want to improve that gap in the bottom line, this is what really matters and is needed for the. It is needed for the time. Otherwise, you won't be able to be cost competitive, because the customer is always trying to bring down the prices, and on the other hand, your cost of production is going up. Like, you have to give wage hikes and salary hike to your workforce, to your staff. There is rise in consumables, there is rise in electricity. So lean is the only methodology where you can cut down your waste, and which is really going to help you to strike the right balance for what the customer wants and what your company really needs to achieve. Thank you.
I am Avinash Mankar, from Director of Tara Tools. We are into manufacturing of checking fixture for sheet metal and plastic parts. We are manufacturing fixtures for the automotive industry, and we have some of our valuable customers are Tata Motors, Maruti, Honda, Godrej Tool Room. And here I was a bit doubtful while joining, because we are in a tool room business, and I was not confident whether this lean system can be implemented in a tool room. Why I joined this cluster? Because this cluster is a 1.5 year cluster. Generally, all trainings, we have attended a lot of trainings, but they are maximum of 1 week. And what happens that when we go through this training, we learn some things, and then it is very difficult to implement. Like the effectiveness of the implementation is very less. So what was happening, the things which we were learning in the classrooms, those were again follow-up was taken by the team of Joyful Workplaces, and then the implementation was monitored that the implementation is happening in the shop floor. So one very basic things what changed in our shop floor were that we had a very organized layout. Then safety was improved on the shop floor. We changed the layout of our factory, so things were kept in. Now things are being kept in a proper place, in a proper system. where the safety is taken into consideration and even the ergonomics is taken into consideration. And we are proud to tell that Godrej in last this month, the 4th of April, Godrej has awarded us the best supplier having the best safety practices, and our operators who had done the 2S activities, they showcased their developments, and I could see the pride in them. The efforts they had taken, they very, very proudly explaining to our visitors. So the self-esteem and has improved of our employees. Sunrise sunset meeting is one good activity what has started. With the sunrise meeting, the core team and the employees are working out the plan of the coming day and the next day. So they have a very good effective planning, and the sunset meeting, whatever problems are faced by all the employees, they are discussed, and we are successful in coming out with solutions for these problems. So there is an involvement, very good involvement of the employees, and due to that they are now they have a feel that yes, our values are also important, our suggestions are important. So they participate very wholeheartedly into the day-to-day working. Kaizen is also very one wonderful activity which is started due to this lean manufacturing training, and we have completed some 25 Kaizen activities in our company during this period, and I am proud to tell that all these improvements are suggested by the working people. So
definitely recommend this consultancy firm and the Link cluster program to many budding SME industries in and around Pune. And MCC has given good platform wherein it is quite methodical, and it is we were enrolled in the 5th cluster, so it is now quite mature to understand our requirements, and it is quite efficient. It has evolved and improved over last 5 clusters, and as a result, all of us, our cluster members have decided to go further into the next year of the Lean program. Thank you so much.